Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable voice search on YouTube, features setup step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone or tablet is connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Update the YouTube app to the latest version from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Restart your device after the update to avoid temporary app or microphone glitches. Open Settings on your device and go to Privacy or App Permissions. Find YouTube in the app list and open its permission settings. Enable microphone permission for YouTube so the app can listen to your voice. If you are on Android, also open Google App Permissions and allow microphone access there as well. If you are on iPhone, open Settings, scroll to YouTube, and turn on the microphone toggle. Open the YouTube app and sign in to your Google account if you are not signed in. Tap your profile icon and open Settings inside YouTube. Go to General and check that the app is allowed to use device features normally. Return to the home screen in YouTube and locate the search icon at the top. Tap the search icon to open the search bar. Look for the microphone icon next to the search field. Tap the microphone icon and wait for the permission pop-up if it appears. When asked, select Allow while using the app to enable voice input. Speak clearly and say a simple query like Music Playlists to test voice search. If you see no microphone icon, force close YouTube and open it again to refresh the interface. Check that your device is not in silent or call mode that can block microphone input. Disable Bluetooth temporarily if your microphone is switching to a headset you are not using. On Android, open Settings, go to System, then Languages and Input, and enable Google Voice Typing. On iPhone, open Settings, go to Siri and Search, and make sure Siri is enabled for voice features. If voice search still fails, clear YouTube cache on Android or reinstall YouTube on iPhone. Make sure your device language matches the language you plan to speak for better recognition. Turn off any third-party permission manager or antivirus feature that may block microphone access. Test the microphone in another app like Voice Recorder to confirm the hardware works. Go back to YouTube, tap the microphone again, and repeat your search slowly and clearly. If you use YouTube on a browser, allow microphone access in the browser site settings for youtube.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.